Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to effectively create and manage dependencies in Jira, a comprehensive Jira tutorial. Managing dependencies is a crucial part of project management, and understanding how to handle them efficiently in Jira can significantly enhance your team's productivity. To begin with, what exactly are dependencies in project management? Simply put, they occur when one task or issue must be completed before another can begin. Dependencies play a vital role in planning and executing projects successfully, helping teams align tasks in a logical order, ensuring a smooth workflow, and minimizing delays. In Jira, dependencies are managed through a feature known as issue links, which are essential for effective dependency management in Jira. These links connect different tasks, providing a clear representation of how tasks relate within a project. Common link types you'll encounter include blocks and is blocked by. When one issue blocks another, it means the completion of one task prevents the next task from proceeding. Conversely, if an issue is blocked by another, it's waiting on the current task to be finished before it can continue. These link types establish clear pathways for task dependencies, avoiding unnecessary confusion. Now, let's explore how you can link issues in Jira to set up these dependencies. To connect a specific task to another, start by opening the issue you want to link. You'll notice an option to add under the issue's name. Click on this and select Linked Issue from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the type of link relevant to your situation, whether it's blocks or is blocked by. After selecting the appropriate link type, specify which issue or issues you want to connect. This step is crucial as it defines how tasks interact with each other. Once you're satisfied with your selection, simply click Link to finalize the connection. Visualizing these dependencies can provide additional clarity, and that's where Jira's timeline view becomes invaluable. This feature, part of Jira's advanced roadmaps, allows you to visually map out dependencies alongside your project timelines. By seeing how tasks are connected over time, you can better plan resources, anticipate potential bottlenecks, and keep the project on schedule. Managing dependencies in Jira through issue linking and the timeline view aids in creating a seamless project flow. It encourages proactive problem-solving and foresight, as you can clearly pinpoint where potential delays might occur and intervene before they impact the overall project. By leveraging these tools, your team can maintain alignment, ensuring all members are on the same page. In summary, mastering dependency management in Jira involves utilizing issue links and the timeline view to facilitate clear and organized project execution. With these tools, you can enhance your project management skills and increase the efficiency of your team's workflow. I hope this guide has given you the insights you need to effectively manage dependencies in Jira. Happy project managing!